Hi guys, so it's Brilliant Burgundy. I think that's quite a good name. Imagine you take this through security at an airport. Votes with my brown dress and my little cream cardigan. God guys, I'm in love with the earrings and the bag. So we are at Heathrow. It's relatively early. I'm a night owl, you guys know that. So yeah, we're at the airport now. We're gonna go to Chanel, we're gonna go to Dior, to Gucci, to Bottega, Louis Vuitton, Bulgari. They always have really special Bulgari bags at the airport. So yeah, I would say let's have a look around, and I need coffee. Okay guys, I would say let's start at Bulgari. Let's see what they've got. You guys know I found my very special Serpenti Forever at the Dubai airport, and last time I was here at Heathrow they had a hand-painted Serpenti and it was stunning. And the Viper necklace, guys, this is my dream in the rose gold. You guys know Dina always lets me wear it and I'm just so much in love with this piece. Okay guys, no special bags this time around, but I show you what they've got. This one I just love. I was actually thinking about getting this in white ones. Here we have the onyx stone. So I always like this east-west kind of style. It's super tight here. They don't have a big mirror. I was thinking about getting this in white because it has the white mother of pearl. The black one has the onyx. I mean, just look how gorgeous the clasp is. It comes with a long strap as well. However, I think this is pretty cute to just wear it like this, or as a proper clutch. You know, you can just wear it like this as well, and it looks so gorgeous with the golden chain. And again, it's real gold plated, that's why it's so rich gold. Okay guys, let's head into LV, see what they got. I came in and I saw this east-west mini capucine for the first time, and I don't know if the light captures it. It's the most gorgeous baby pink with like a rose gold hammered hardware. Hi. Look at this gorgeous baby. Usually, I don't know, east-west, you know, sometimes the proportions don't look right, but with this one, it's stunning. Right? Do we like it? This is the regular mini capucine, and you have to see the iridescent shine of this. This is Karung, it's not lizard. So, you know, the price will be a bit better. I mean, capucines are expensive anyway. But look at this gorgeous skin, and you can of course wear it like this, or if you want to be a little bit more understated, just look at this gorgeous flap. Oh my. Okay, and then if you want to be a bit more understated, you can just wear it like this. In time it will get a little bit softer. Okay guys, so she's bringing out the classic galet, because I am still very much in love with the classic galet and python handle. I've just never found one that had like a symmetrical python handle where it was like, for my OCD, where it was like pretty enough. And my baby, of course, I just love my Celine bag so much. And just look at that bag charm, guys. Cute.
We have them in a stock.
Yeah.
And we have this kind of beautiful card in stock.
Wow. Oh my god. It's like the perfect burgundy color, right?
It's beautiful. If you
Yeah.
see that color.
Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I missed the tax-free. Yeah. Should I put a glove on as well, or no? Okay. Oh, wow, look at this. It's like a dark red burgundy color with some purple undertones, but then you have this stunning blood red popping up there. It's gorgeous. Oh, and shiny crocodile is the most stunning bag. Hi guys. So it's Brilliant Burgundy. I think that's quite a good name for this stunning color. Oh, I really miss the days when there was tax refund, guys. What do we think? Isn't it gorgeous? See, it looks almost black, but then in the light, it's so stunning. Wow, guys, that burgundy color. Bottega Veneta, and you guys know I'm eyeing their python bags that they're bringing out for autumn and winter. Oh, let's see, maybe they've got them. Let's have a look. And a quick overview of what we got. Maybe a sardine, that would be nice too. Guys, the mini sardine. I still love the sardine so much. I always wondered, if you're traveling with a sardine, are you gonna get through the airport? Or does this classify as a sharp object? You know, so yeah, I think I still like the medium size better. However, this one comes in the python. He's checking if he's got it. Yeah, guys, this is what I mean. Look. Yeah. Imagine you take this through security at an airport. I don't know if this is a safe bag to take. I love this bag, especially with this strap in the burgundy, but it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. But guys, this is such a nice addition that they added the strap to the sardine, because, you know, this is already a lot more comfortable in terms of the weight of the bag. Yeah. And they got the little hook here. Wait, it's stuck there. Can you see that? They got the little fisher hook, the little sardine hook right there. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, so this is the large parachute bag. We tried on the small one recently, and it's quite heavy because obviously it's a full-on leather bag. You know, and this one is empty right now, and I could barely carry it, so always keep the weight of the bag in mind. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. It's a nice bag for like autumn and winter as well, I would say. Right? It's a nice bag with a little andiamo knot right there, but let's be honest, for me it's way too heavy. By the way guys, now I can just show you my outfit quickly. I like this mirror and the light in here. Got my Celine bag obviously, got this little dress that's open on the side and my husband's cardigan. Let's go to Chanel. Oh, let's do a quick stop at Gucci too. Guys, my husband still loves this bag since I tried it on, and we all know it's rare that our significant others you know, really get into bags. But he really likes this one. He likes the color of it, he likes the look of it on me. I thought, is it too big? It's like a large Kelly. I don't know. It comes in a smaller size in the black, but not in the beautiful red. Huh. I like it too. I think for this one I would even get my husband's blessing. And obviously you can just wear it, you know, handheld as well. This one's pretty light for its size. This one is super lightweight. The leather is gorgeous. Interior I think is sweet. Oh guys, I don't know. I mean, I don't have a red bag, we all know that, because red's not my color. This is nice burgundy, almost like the Capucine we've seen at LV. Votes. I saw this gorgeous red python Gucci bag as well. Comes with the sighties. Obviously, if you buy any exotic bags at the airport, you get the sighties. Yes, I didn't even know what sighties were so at the airport, so I was like, that's very important, guys. If you buy an exotic bag anywhere, only buy it if you get the certificate, the CITES with it. Otherwise you can't ever travel with it. They can confiscate the bag at the airport and just destroy it. So yeah, I mean the other one is so much nicer, right? This is a really nice.
It's gonna be this one.
Yeah, this is a really nice silver as well. Dionysus, mini Dionysus. Pretty. Okay guys, the manager just came and he was super lovely. I think the SA didn't really know what she was doing. Should we have a look at HERMES as well? Nah, as if they have anything. Should we have a look at Prada? I don't know, I'm not really into Prada either. To be honest, the bags are not my style, but the leather is nice. The leather looks really nice. gorgeous, doesn't it? Oh guys, and Dior, of course, let's not forget about Dior. I came in because I wanted to have a look at the new pieces as well, and they have some interesting pieces that we haven't seen before, but my eye got caught, well, my attention got caught by this beautiful Carong Lady Dior, and it's very slightly iridescent. It's still the natural look of the Carong skin, of the Carong leather, but it has a very slight iridescent shine. I don't know if we can even see that. Yeah? What size is this? This is not the medium, this is the small, I think, not the mini yet. This is a size I don't have yet. Looks just so nice, right? With my brown dress and my little cream cardigan. Guys, this is gorgeous. But look at this one that caught my attention. It's like a canvas. Guys, I don't know why. Look at this. I think just the canvas material looks interesting. This is a bag I haven't seen before, I haven't tried on before. It's definitely new. I don't know if you can turn it inside out or not. Do we like it? Do we not like it? Look at these. So many crocodile skins. And guys, we got this Miss Dior too. Yeah. Okay guys, are we ready for the last stop? Chanel. Okay, so let's see if they've got anything interesting. Oh guys, look at these. They are so reminding me of the 90s, 80s and 90s as well. Gorgeous. Okay, so I am in 80s, 90s heaven. Guys, can you see these earrings? They're clip-ons. They are the larger ones. Oh, they're gorgeous. I would just be so worried that you lose them. Like, I've never had clip-ons. I've always just worn piercing earrings. So I never had to worry about them falling out or anything. But oh god, they're so gorgeous. And this bag. We tried it on in burgundy. Black is very classic, of course, as well. Yeah, guys. Oh, I don't know what it is. I'm falling in love with this bag and it's giving me butterflies, and it's Chanel. It's got a gorgeous antique gold hardware strap as well, quite thick. And these are the earrings. Oh, guys. I'm in love. Oh, what do we do? And I found this tiny little cute Chanel tote as well. Oh, goes away with the earrings. I cannot stop staring at them. She's just checking the price. But like, how cute is this? How cute is this? God, guys, I'm in love with the earrings and the bag. It's quite casual, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, and guys, you can also wear this little tote as a shoulder bag. It's quite cool. Guys, so help me, these are the smaller ones. They feel a lot safer. They feel like they're not gonna fall off. They're not weighing down so much. They're feeling really, really safe in comparison to the large ones. But the large ones are boom, right? The large ones are really like statement piece. They're so gorgeous. So these are 900, around 900 pounds. The other ones are 1,100, 1,200, something like that. It's crazy how even the prices of custom jewelry has gone up. Oh god, guys, I love those earrings, to be honest, both the big and the smaller ones. But the bigger ones were really, oh, they're melting my heart. I shouldn't buy anything from Chanel. I shouldn't buy Chanel costume jewelry, especially at these prices, but okay. I think I need some food and some drinks now, and then it's almost boarding time, I think. Okay guys, got my coffee. Deserve it after this little marathon. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, and I see you in Germany, guys. Cheers! Yeah, guys, I'm just in Münster and there's such a beautiful lake here. It's the day of the christening and baby is so cute, and we're gonna have some dinner now, and I'm just trying to relax and enjoy this beautiful sunny day. It's 30 degrees today, which is almost too hot for me, but look at this. When you have a view like that, you know, you can deal with any temperature. Look at that, guys. Such a beautiful day. Yeah, I see you again very, very soon, guys. Bye.